planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and I'm here with my squad box. So I've been waiting for this package all day long, like seriously staring out the window, all that stuff, and it's 6 o'clock. Just now got it, so I am so ready to open this with you guys. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and here we go. Okay guys, so this box, it's pretty huge, but it's actually only 9 pounds. But I'm super excited. And I remembered my box cutter this time, so should be easier. Okay, cool. So here we go. So exciting. Okay, so I got my Kodak Smile printer. So I'm super excited for this. I already bought some extra paper because I know I'm gonna be like printing so much, or yeah, trying it out and stuff. So I got this paper, I just have it right here, and I'm super excited to try this out. I'm going to do a whole video describing how this works and if you should buy it or not, and so I'll let you guys know what I think about this printer. Super excited for that. Okay, next I got some stick girls on a dashboard. So I believe there's 15 sheets of stickers and they come on a dashboard. Next I got these dry erase boards for the student, but you know, I can probably make them work. Oh, I like this one. The one that's behind this one. It's got a today, this week, ready for the weekend, and then the back looks pretty plain. So cool. Okay, I got the Squad Goals mini sticker pad. Super excited. I only have the mini sticker book, so I'm excited to have some more. And so another Squad Goals mini. Surprised to see this one, but cool, awesome. Love my squad girls. I got layered florals, super fun. Girl power, super excited about this one. I do already have it, but I was already contemplating getting a second one, so can never go wrong with this. Got teacher icons. This is for the big. I'll go ahead and flip through some of these because I haven't had a chance to look in these before. Got Brights, super cool. I think this is this is the book that fits in the Skinny Classic planner. I got Stick Babe Essentials. I don't have any of the Stick Babe stuff, so super cute. I got Summer Fun, awesome. And I got Best Year Ever. Cool. I am always needing some seasonal stickers, so this should be awesome. And let's see. Here's the printer paper for the little printer. And then of course the bloom box. So I will go ahead and unbox this in a separate video as well, but I'm super excited to have it. So yeah, look out for the video where I'm going to unbox this one. Should be out pretty soon. And then I'm also going to do a video with the Kodak Smile printer. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye guys.